Welcome back, Scallywags. Got Matt and Mike here. It's 2024.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. So, quick video, what's going on in the Marine Tech Center?
Yep.
And so, I guess the big news is the Lady M. What do we got going on with this thing?
We have located an engine to put in this old girl. We got the 4JH 110 Yanmar, located in Florida.
Last one in the United States.
Last one in the United States. It's heading our way. So we're really excited that we were able to make that happen. Works great because this quarter we're getting into engines with all the propulsion students, so it should go perfectly hand in hand with classes there.
So we're doing a little repair for the Anacortes Youth Sailing.
Yep.
Waterfront Alliance. We're going to fix the Lido, little fiberglass repair.
Yeah.
We're going to move some inventory out of here.
Yep, we have definitely some old outboards that were donated and we need to move along, and then also the rib that was donated. We need to do a little bit of work on that, but it's pretty much ready to go.
That thing's tuned up, looking good.
Ready
We'll sell that in the
Yep.
spring.
Yep. So
excellent. That's all good. Well, let's go in the shop and talk about what students are up to.
let's do it. Cool. So yeah, what are students up to this quarter, or what are we about to be up to? This is our winter quarter, so this is when our students choose their track. So we have our first year students breaking off into either the mechanical side of the house over here in the propulsion lab. Going to be doing heavy duty inboard engine stuff, inboard drivetrain, all things inboard. And then of course Mike's students over on the other side of the house.
We've got electrical big time, so they've all got the DC. Now we're going to roll into AC.
Yep.
Fun stuff, generators and inverters and all things electrical. We got instructor Joe going to do advanced systems.
Yep.
Water makers and fire suppression, fun stuff like that.
Electronics for first year
Jen
students.
Monica, yep. We got electronics coming in on the electrical side, so you're going to see lots of stuff happen. We still have the old Gardner over there. I got to do a little work too for our old engine stuff. There's lots going on. We have the Radiant Star. We're going to do a tour of that, and instructor Joe of Polar Mist.
Awesome.
I haven't forgotten. I put this out in September, October, but Radiant Star, look at this footage. They hauled her for a shave and a haircut.
Yep.
Now half the side's missing.
It looked like she needed it, and then the can of worms.
So she's getting some new planking and sistering of frames, but once it's back in the water, we'll definitely do a full boat tour on that.
Yep.
So, and then some other projects like, let's look over here.
Check out, so here she is, the Cushman. This is what I would call kind of Professor Beamer's, side projects that seem to pop up all over the place, but I don't know. I think this is going to be a great, even though it's not a boat, it's going to be a full electric propulsion repower.
We've done it. I started researching. We're going to switch it to 48 volts with a new engine, high torque, because we're going to be hauling stuff here at Marine Tech.
Yep.
And rims and tires, but we're going to do a speed control, and we have these really nice 100 amp hour lithium batteries. They came off from a local boat, Classic. They got run down, got out of balance. The BMS went offline. New owner of the boat says, I do not want anything to do with those. Gave them to us.
They'll work for this.
Oh my gosh, they tested 95+%. So we'll put a little Orion BMS on there, put them in the original compartment, and a little paint. So this will be a fun project. But those are side projects. We also have some tech tips coming out.
We do have some awesome tech tips coming up this winter. Keep your eyes peeled. We'll have one coming up on ungrounded hot wiring, another one on
Wagos, yeah. So we got some tips with the students on these positive posts that are exposed, trying to keep the boat safe. These Wagos work really good. Ashley did a tech tip, dry locations. We'll talk about these. Awesome. We did some testing, super fun. We're also going to do, we're putting together a high output alternator.
Upgraded to high output alternators.
Which our students do, and we'll do a tech tip. Look at this thing.
We'll show you guys how to use these sweet little laser alignment tools for aligning those pulleys for serpentine belts.
All your pulleys. And then we've got instructor Art going to do a little tech training on inverter bypass switches.
Right
so
on.
We've got some issues with inverters in specific boats, and we'll bring that up. Tech tips are what we really like to do. Just quick, share what we know.
Yep. Try to get some students to do a little bit of behind the camera stuff.
Absolutely. Yep. And so look forward to plenty of that in the new year here.
Yep.
So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.
Happy New Year.